Khubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kajengkiu Stad ke teknologi kabala pensuk yaki brio haki liang baro lembat kajeng kharoi ki kam sniu lingba kajeng Stad teknologi kabaki brio ki jusaki na kapor Shah kapor bun ki kam sniu ki ja kum ki basha Thok pisa kum ki kam tu kam them da kabaki penon kam da ki bor ki kor internet halor kate kapang kalapalong ya ka data yuk society kabadi ka way ka organizations bala itu da ka sarkar ban Pynphriang ya ka Khubor kum ka jing hikai ban pen kendethia ya ki brio banum ngop ya kum kini ki kam da ka bapalong ya ka awareness program ha ka khat wai trik unai tung ha 7 set secondary school Shillong halor ka phang awaken you digital safeguard the future empowering youth for tomorrow Habakran cekila pathai Khubor ka president jong ka kanhuan ha ka jo kapor ka badeiru ka nongseng ka menoka nok Mahato kalaong baka jing penlong ya kani ka program kadai namar ka jing yo I batlab basibun ki brio ki Shah Thok haki kam pisa pilan bat ki tiar kitar badru ban pinsot ho ya ki brio ban long kita ki Husiar na ki kam Shah Thok lingba ki juk technology nalor kata kalaong baka jing Shah Thok om dei tangi ki brio ki ba om nang om Stad Henry wat ki brio ki balanang la Stad ru bon ki Shah Thok bad laong Bakalong ka badon kam bandon ya ka jingyada namar ka jingyada ka khambha ya ka jing sumar.
Mobiles, isn't it? Always update your devices. Updates are coming, update it. You are using your mobiles, isn't it? Update it. Every day update. What will happen? It will patch all the weakness so that the viruses, malwares will not come. Next part is all of you use WhatsApp. Everybody knows two-factor authentication. So I will tell you what to do with that two-factor authentication. Have you heard about WhatsApp hacking? My WhatsApp is hacked. So when you go home today, check your accounts, security. There you get privacy, two-factor authentication. Enable it. There will be one PIN, but do not give your date of birth there. Why it is important? Your WhatsApp can be hacked anytime after enabling that PIN also. But when the hacker will hack that one and try to use it, it will ask for that PIN. Suppose your WhatsApp is hacked, then what will happen? That PIN number it will ask. If he cannot get, he cannot use. Got it? What I am saying, please try at home. It will save you. Next point, talk to your parents. Other details I will not go, but the important thing what I want to tell today is kindly talk to your parents. Anything happens, tell your parents. Don't be shy or don't be afraid and teach them. Okay, they are not from your age group or time, so they are a little bit slow in learning technology things. Okay, they are having all WhatsApp, Insta, everything, but you learn and teach them. Papa, Meme, Mama, whoever, do like these settings. Just remember, they have taught us all, our mom and dad, when we are kids, to work, to eat. So it is now your duty to teach them about technology. Because you are Gen Z, all generation. Okay, so please remember, talk to your parents. Anything happen?
So today we are having our awareness program, cyber awareness program at 7 Set School. Actually, I am the founder of Data Yug Society. Data Yug Society is a non-government organization which is registered in Meghalaya, and we are working since last 2 years. And this is every year we are doing different kinds of organizations in schools, colleges, in communities, societies, everywhere. Our main motive in this organization is to make people aware about cyber crimes, cell phone addiction, and about everything that is related to digital landscape. because digital landscape has become a very important part in today's life, and our kids are also using, not only kids, even we are using, and some people are educated are also become victim of cybercrime. So uneducated, there is numerous, we can't speak about that number. Okay, so behind the idea behind this organization is, we are not we can't say that we'll bring back your money, we'll bring back whatever losses you have then, because monetary loss is nothing, but emotional loss impacts a lot. So we'll try to find a way, because precaution is always better than cure. So we are trying to provide you with the information with which we can save yourself online digitally. And for school students, what we are trying to convey them is that smartphone is becoming more smart. They are taking out all our privacy data and all. So we are teaching kids through this workshop that how to be safe online.
So as we have seen that, let's say,
Look, cybercrime is rising. Why? Because everything is going technologically right now, right? So when technologically everything is growing, the back means its dark side every time is there. Everything has a dark impact of it. Now, from schools to doctor, everything works on OTP, right? QR code and OTP. So, do you think that it will be safe to share every time your OTP or scan the QR code? That is the reason why cybercrime are increasing. Because generation-wise, everything will be increasing. Maybe in AI has taken over almost half of the employment. Something new will be coming. So with that, the threat will also come, right? So for that threat, we are making people aware from now with our digital safety awareness program.
so what we have, we will not fall victim to such crimes.
Yeah, for that you have to be very safe online. The most important thing is, before sharing, liking and commenting on anything, you should know that digital footprint cannot be erased. So you should think twice. You should take 3 seconds before liking, sharing or just commenting anything on social media. This is a very wonderful tool. I won't say that is a bad tool, because everyone is on social media. If you want to connect to the world, you have to connect to the internet. But the safety is that you should have your account private. You should have 2-factor authentication in your account, and anything happens, police is always there. 1930 is the number for cybercrime, where you can report anything happens to you all. And schools are there, parents are there, and we are data you will be always there to support you.
So as we have seen that today you have organized such programs.
Yeah.
So in the coming future, so will you be organizing such new programs?
Yeah, we have many in this month only. We have many on the pipeline. Okay, so maybe at the coming week we'll have in Edmonds, then in Loreto, then we are going to expand it not only schools and colleges. Our interns are going to street. Yesterday we went to Pynphriang and they have met all the vegetable vendors and all. Then have they become the victim of cybercrime. Last year on Christmas we have done cyber center at Police Bazaar. We have made all the interns as a cyber center, and we are asking about cyber safety tips, sharing cyber safety tips, and about how to make online space safe and digitally aware for everyone. This is for a cause which you may see it's a very simple cause, but it's a very, very big cause where monetary loss can be gained, can be forgotten, but emotional loss can't be. So help me to spread this awareness.